Okay, first things first, before you even start chopping, if you want to make sure that your cutting board is safe and secure, if your board gets moving while you cut, and the result, if your knife slipping and cause some injuries. So place some towel underneath your cutting board so that never moving while you cut. The most important thing is to make sure that you're gripping your knife properly. You put your finger top of the knife. If you hold back far up the handle, if you have dainty grip, those are all incorrect ways. You want to put your finger and your thumb and the very back of the knife and wrap your finger around it. When you'll have a firm grip, then your chop is going to be controlled. Some common mistake is the chopping. If you just chop really aggressively down like this, you're not going to get nice and even cut. And you really want to do is rocking motion when you cut. First cuts is a large slice. Just peel off or cut the edges and put at the side and put at the center and cut in the halfways. And put side at the excess and down the right and cut halfways and right gently cut. This cut is a medium slice. Cut 2 times at the center, nice and gently. Cut in small dice. Cut at the center and claw your hand like this. Cut in thin size and small size and cut repeatedly. Next cut is a julienne and cut at the very thin size. We're going to make equal 1/8 in each slices down. Slices repeatedly. This cut is mincing. Most common of this is minced garlic. Use the garlic under the blade and smash it down. And then again, use that claw and use that the same wave motion. Next cut is wedges.